Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here to bring you on a quick tour of what's new with the release of version 5.0. One of the biggest pieces with the release of 5.0 is that we've completely rebuilt our code from the ground up. So that's not really a piece that I can show you, but that's going to be instrumental in us bringing you new features as time goes on here. So let's go ahead and jump into the Config Manager console and take a look at some improvements we've made in the dashboards. From our Assets and Compliance tab, we'll see our Recast software node. If we expand it, we'll notice that there's some new icons now. So we've now broken it down by product so that we have Endpoint Insights as its own subnode, as well as Right-Click Tools has its own subnode. And we can go ahead and expand that and jump into one of our dashboards here to see what's new in the dashboards. We'll grab our BitLocker Compliance Tool dashboard. I'll go ahead and grab a collection here. We'll hit scan. We'll grab a piece of our pie here. We've made some improvements to the Right-Click Tools menu when you're within a dashboard. So if you right click on a device now, you're going to get a breakdown by product. So it'll be a little bit easier for you to find the specific tool you're looking for rather than it all being kind of all in one list here. Let's go ahead and see what's new in the Recast Management Server. So we'll go ahead and pull up our RMS here. So let's go ahead and jump into one of our dashboards to see our new and improved UI. So let's grab our BitLocker dashboard here again. We'll select one of our service connections. We'll grab a collection here. Run that. So you'll notice that we have a new UI for our dashboards. It looks a little bit cleaner, more modern, as well as it should be a little bit more user-friendly as well. We've added descriptions to the snapshot and trend buttons, so it's not just an icon anymore. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's new in our administration tab here. You'll notice that there's a tab for agent gateways. The agent gateway is a new way for you to access devices that are off of your network. So it's a way for you to hit devices over an internet connection that should be faster than accessing them over the fast channel. Finally, you'll notice we have a Privilege Manager tab within RMS now. You can now manage your Privilege Manager instance within RMS rather than having to go to its own standalone portal. And with the release of 5.0, Privilege Manager now utilizes the Recast agent rather than its own standalone agent. So you can utilize the same agent that you're already using for Right-Click Tools and Endpoint Insights to manage your Privilege Manager actions as well. That's just a quick look at what's new in version 5.0.